Okay, straight into the wagon. You call Adako judge precisely. Na and then and then you create that tactical zitolistic tactics. You call now in some mouth. You see, Chini, I deja. Na the thing says if one of why you training a way to see I'm a 1 year brace of money at the Bible boss. And then no, you can it will break. Then you call Adako judge. Na once why deja no. You see the airport. See feelings in the Yes, your boy, your phone.
Refi abo abia mama pon.
Okay. Any to free.
Oh, okay. Well, sema ya shefo ni etifo nyina kwa ba. Abribia, I have the cancer as we say. Ye domase say omkoso na mo share GH Live Studio. Abreni abribia because ye the vivid update a ehu twapa ana de bromo abribia. Sisi am no ka say ye gina da koja ache akrobia kumasi asante kodeko. Boboko no egusu a omo eye training. Na when a trainer omo eye na yenka say anwo because but the kind it when Emra na yedi nkomo enso ewo ekire ho no me ka che say Emra no start training no any because team no be free her Friday the from Emra no train no start any ade ni nyina no tactical training the oba is na control camera dia wan hwe na coach comes to so mu a asumbo pa ana ode ebeba na any team no ayi training kama and the share players are omo ebaye na about 29 players ana ebirem enso ewo adako judge ya omo eye training na me no ka say the asset team no omo training do mo ye wia ne sa enso ewo hana ene ohwe mranti a omo entumi ama training ewo adako judge ya abranti ne din Lord Amoa entumi ama baba yaya enso ama training enso ewo ahase na ohwe Shaibu Abubakar enso so a bueno enso entumi ama me rem enso ewo adako judge na other players on my Canadian omo enyina enso etini ebai and ohwe Peter Amidu akwa ene Andrews in team menu omo nyina entumi amani na say players nina enso Ebra Michael Sifa enso entumi ama me rem enso ewo adako judge ene day enso ewo hase na ohwe goalkeepers na 3 goalkeepers nina etumi ebai enra me my information be say 1 goalkeeper entumi amba na Abranti and the din enso ede Benjamin Chum but ene Benjamin Chum e training grounds are on it players no enso nyina akambuma ene omo training gidigidi enso e wa hase Mohammed Kamara Aziz Dari Haruna enso ebirem enso e wa ha ene training no omo ne kama enso e wa hase ene ohwe defenders a Jose Bambolo na owombi Hamzata Henry Kwame Ansu Samba Oniel Zakaria Fusini I was meant time was Zakaria D and then Makai Zakaria Fusini Omunina Ebai Joseph Amwa and so Ebai I also ebe training with Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ushe in Finfin Hona Hubert Jew Ebai Lord Hilaria Double Set Kojo and so Ebai Samuel Kennedy Ebai Ebe Rem a training kama and so Ewo Ahasi Emmanuel Entry and so Eba be training and so ewa ha Johnson upon usu ebai Saka Dauda and so ebai ebe training and so ewa ahase Philip Amo Walid Lema Fuseni omunyina and so ebaya omo ebe training kama and so ewa hase ohwe anim hona Morfin Donzo Kwame Poku Albert Amwa Jordan Emisa omunyina and so etimi ebaya omo ebe training and so ewa hase and 2 youth play goalkeepers 2 youth goalkeepers and so join a team now almost a training and so ahase and oshe boya and as a branch and the Emmanuel Corti and so anti oshe team name is here player officially a wabontin say webra was started a year recording kakra with me a joining team no Emmanuel Corti and so ewo adako Argentina Emmanuel Corti as so ever to one training or na brain abibia Henry Listowell yes me refi boy anything Lord Henry Listowell and so ebaya and so ababe training kama and so her team na wi a omo airborne pie na omo akwakotina omo team bass na baba ejo mo akwakodu kama enso ewo ho ene ohwe the technical team no so a omo nyina enso eba emos frempon olomo ana minhu no ewo ha sei nyina ye dwumadi a omo so ehwe eye no nkran pomponi mantem ehwe ama team no so anyema akoyi ama wo mo no se enche kra na krobie kumasi asante Kotoko menga se 11 days anesa because any day 10 for the year 11 days time Kotoko ebobo Kwara United and so ewo Accra Sports Stadium tinina and so eka ho ama mpanyfo and so ewo Accra a omo ehwe ama bibia and so etumi aye kama and so ewo ho na eba Imano Court nkomo na me de beba akire but boys no omo bidu na say and guys no players no omo buy you know adwuma omo ebeye ye na de and ehu say seriousness no was commitment and so I was really part and we say adaptations we kakra but because omo ya accept I understand it the coach Karim Zitu and so I start here on no edge boys because it dream maybe cramp na say omo area fi omo ho ase players na and so kai omo ho na omo ho ne say omo eye on the field of play and I say oh ha say nti boys no show niema 1 2 be mo say niema coach Abdul Karim Zito astati echom kakra no so small enti ase enso ba ne sa enso ewo ahase omba ahase no almost started say omo kokoko mrika kakra say ne omo ba omo na draws no enso ekọ so omo pass any other things no omo no so eka ho omo ewie no na coach Abdul Karim Zito eche team ne mu bi no na team na uche mu bi no oye ne say defenders are omo ebaye no any defensive midfielders no ebeko one side ombeko one side na oka central midfielders no any attacking midfielders no any the attackers of the team no so omo ebeko one side onzim ko keep no na me report sa de ma opa na ni nyina no say and then again they na a different and your draws near other things be no boy but and then they different ni nyina say na omo practice they are practicing set pieces corner kick and then Kotoko team no corner kicker omo aye no na omo approach omo de air corner we team na say oh bad is ya Kotoko dia making sure say ebia omo nya corner entia because training Kotoko team no aye no corner kicks are omo aye wa hase no eni to be bia anhwe ya ebetimi a result go and so at the amateur because omo hwe omo a omo ye kama and ball no kwa omo ni nipa omo de ball no esi ni so me mo bia di enkyere bu bia ball no be kon so ma player bia akwa attack no ne ade there be but me kire say coach no kire wo mo because we Arsenal team last season na Arsenal almost strength pa ko almost set piece and this time no kon so try say almost be working on that na bibia so atimi aye kama and the other side no so na almost adwuma open play come be so open play no benya goals and the amakrobia kumasi asante Kotoko and once again free kick any other things indeed if I say 1 hour full 1 hour there na team no practice on set piece they said the last week me dey enso eto wanim and na ekoye enso edi matim na coach Karim Zito enso ani age ho bia na bia emfa ye no na what boys no na say players no na omo akwa adwenkrum na omahwe na bibia enso etumi enso akoye edi ama team no enso ewo ho nti ohwe and the full 1 hour ne dia na omo practice more enso ewo set piece enso ewo mamemfa we emahwim na me san so nko back to training no so ebiem omo wie training mo say coach Karim Zito any boys no din komo ni na say omo hwe say mentally and also psychologically well prepared and so they are game anymore and the movie training no coach no makasa ya so or page so be obi bibi na nkoye ni ade ma we coach any boys na din komo sisi ase omo hwe na mo kwet no come ho mom na bibia and so entimi enkoso ye enfama team na and oguso a on so any team no and so 18 komo se be ya boy players no and so beti enyema ase e ho nti coach Karim Zito still me no can say oguso a on the boys no enso edi enkomo omodi nkomo pa omodi nkomo mo se fi no mawi a eno mo ebo mo se mo nyina enso esa line almost so mo eko team bass ni mu enso ho mo se me a me nia ba ko be ko Timika gidi kofa ne niema. When I just say live report, and I was playing me live report na live report because yet and you challenge the yes. And see on your movie side, and a coach, you are back to your training, and a coach, a chair team, now, and the good news are what training said Joseph Ambulo a full training and the full training and a positive. You be come away, but a positive power because no baby shit team. Yes, the shed near course and then no back to the team. He's getting back to the team. And may your content be now for me able to it is paying for no more. This year, Joseph Amblo or getting back to the team. Yan can't call baby, but he's getting back to the team. And you mean say, boss player, the other what you see, what you see, and so on. I mean, sounds chubby in Famon. Maybe you know, Ubia a candy yanka. But we say, former captain at the Emma Kotoko. Former captain at the Emma Kotoko. And then, or sounds so about train be training, and no, Agadas. Yes. Agadas, fashion of white, and our boys may 18 come. Baba never been PPP of boys in some land. The Agadas, who say Agadas, any Ablo, any who say set Koju, and so Eka, any one player, my first me who's a player, also more 18 come. Agadas will pra and the night two goose from Kakra. So we hear and also are affecting a pan. The Agadas, and so and Wabaha when it boys no and as players no obviously players no to train or has it sounds so and I think say commander graphics yes say commander graphics on also na a name or on also air quality updating the thing na air bank kakra and so e has it now we no chair team anymore and ma goalkeeper ne dey Aziz Haruna Dari FR one side and Mohammed Kamara and so FR one side minya and can match them near this side of one boy and this side of one boy. But when they Kotoko Ekwakubo game against Bikum Chelsea, no, we can say Ibiana amount of who or more best starting near the but at the year, Sad and be analyzed before the game, and so best started normal say be analyze the players or more best starting game, the Makotoko best starting game at the Bikum Chelsea before say Yami had my Saturday game, and so but and also boys na a modern bono I was so pie and the Walid name of Husseini as yes Walid name of Husseini and then na a modern bono and so I was so now and then boy and a modern boss was so pie Lord Henry Listowell and the shootings beer or yeah from the back now and also come up and so now wouldn't be every coach comes to boys movie normal and as a players movie boys in idea and said Mr. Bismarck kakra ebefa na obia my players two side ni na ya we say ope 8 goals 8 goals na ope when ya 8 goals on be boa ma de achi but na eniema enso efa na mame ndi komo wi emfa Kwame Poku ho cause na say Kwame Poku performance no na aba from kakra mo say na support e bigin just Kwame Poku na say that's a good na doso yes the normal good in nko from ni ade but ene no wo hwe se na esi etie na and the seriousness no and so e was soro yeah and na Kwame Poku seriousness no and so e was soro yen kan say ye positive and say and so e dey makodoko boboko no but more fin donzo no and na supporters ne ka say there are some qualities be e won ho a say kodoko team no ehu sa qualities no na omo etimi provide boss at the manner and with me a convert chances pa Eddie Amakodoko because touch be our yen has here in na the credit Emma Mohammed Kamara say on a very good goalkeeper with me if say goalkeeper bianca Morfin Dunzo and so no and that train no way a tactical deep pa and so I was here you say coaching also aid any boys needing come say we are not joking the other training grounds and check can you to one the back the terms no see we are not joking here and yeah do you think we are joking here play well the terms back no this year coach can to the term back one training grounds we are not joking here so be serious on the boys no and so AD and Komosa Ebrea maybe on my mistake be and I say run and you maybe uncle who's a player no when a year now I'm watching as I say you're not joking here, so you should be serious. Now people answer to me and you come and see and the voice no I train on my view this year na car no and I say more bass and so to or more air quantity boss player update or Adako judge and the questions be waiting there to you because you know the can so I can't do a question no near again so ever back to it now the answer to me I come. Hello.
Hello.
Auntie, what do you mean?
I took fantastic. And more or less, a blood, you know, sorry, me too, na me kasa na onti. A blood situation, you know, said that be our training grounds, I almost original na, and then what is so different?
And that difference, I only say, na supporters do not expect to say, if you a block or pair with Samba O'Neill.
Okay.
And so it will training grounds. And it be who's had and I say, and the year, Juma, because the for the past 1-2 months, they been who's had, you know, and so I will call training grounds. But and they positively say, bro, and they around and the Samba O'Neill, and so a pair a center backer. Omo eye juma edi makotoko. So the special thing and happening. That's why I'm saying say Abro is getting back to the team. Yes, because last season you will say Abro and Samba will know and then started at the Makotoko, and we are seeing say and the trainer course no Abro and then Samba pairing together and now a super power and so training grounds and then and now and a positive. And so I could change team no and so and a prebia and so I will say on the Saturday, Sunday na kodoko ekobo team and the Eddie Ash good no Emmanuel epic no kakra and ra or train and why full training and so ewo hase nti most player bibia did them now come and so ewo hase pa ne ho ye pa ne ho ye pa
and then who's where you know report no person where near Sabe from man for be from
o frame ya so o frame o kan me just you
man the tactics
so frame no kan me
just
just
we try with tactics so but that's good anyway
yeah o say a bad game o say teams ni na what ana teams bi ho I have one person best start say omo ball omo home game na omo lose wo fie ba na sa na ma supporters no and so when you my the air basa say supporters say bastard na ba game because say Brekum Chelsea lose against Kotoko e bia e ba affect omo more nti wo de to dwa say ya e bia no bi akwa ko hu ne ma bia you know say Ghana had here ye ne awa wani tua I think to be analyze the cramp and ho ntokwa gidigidi pa and ho ntokwa gidigidi but and then a positive because Emmanuel entry is back to the position. And I will find the position as number 10, a boy. And to have full training. Negative. And there will be one thing full training a year court and court in the England's web.
Okay.
And also a year or year recovering and the power in the firm or the found or the firm after so come and who say or boy short by going and say, hey, boy, or bobo say a chepa. Be play be any pian ball man or dag out one mumla and so has to be a supporters now and the boys and because on beso be me and them more na akwako bring the crew but power the air from kakaka but players I mean boom with dinner dear or pure buy a full trainer and you will send a coach no sir nowadays your friends say somewhat to do buses now your friends a lot Hilaria double so that side that couple 6 no one's wash or no any entry any your friends say set kwaju send us so to sing the and a coach yes and marry and so hana come ansu yo and ansu ni Zakaria Fuseni omo pe come
other side okay
ansu yes other side na ansu ni Zakaria Fuseni and you Joseph Amwa na obo as a right back or other side and Hamzata playing as a right back and so as other side na Patrick Kasidu so ebo left back or other side na Francis Akwa and so ebo or other side and na kama while lead name and so ball 10 and so other side that na and also come up
now Michael Sifazo or buy
Michael Sifamba, me kind want to but Michael Sifamba, and for now the any reason, but me say Michael Sifamba.
Oh yeah, price. Oh no,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and no, and no, what you man or more. Nti bi kwampo a ene ye hu ni hase no ebia ne ye hu bo ani bi mu hase se bibia to ye na se nyankopon ya adom na okopie okodu to gonko a de a na ebia ye hu Michael Sefa Kotoko training grounds bi ti sa ne nkomo no enso ko but bibia de na
not likely so obetimi abo weekend game bi
no Shaibu ntimi mbobi Shaibu
na ba ye ni nyina na afa loto fo no so see no masa wa na what menka na ba kwa me gracious no and our adwuma pa more fire yes alcohol ni ahwe ne na wrap up na ye hu se de nso so no si ko mu yes uti kunkunku na uti pupu a obi adi sana esitie na ba
boss player
na be bizarre say afa look to so ne Kotoko ya sign when ya contract na
oh yes me who some information me who 1 year contract and Kotoko na me can say a good news because this season me say I think say we na kan ho a 5 sponsorships and as 5 or 6
Kotoko say we be 6 the country
we be 6 yes
TH with the
high sense or yes
and we ma ba be ka hu
nti ebe 6 nti a good news pa I was in Kotoko team see kwa na sponsorships be 10-20 na ekuso bibia mu you this year Kotoko team a inso mbe omanya sponsorship ho and then yes ti ka anyone ka sponsors ni bi say na koma ba na kan de ma ba be ye e friend say stands e wo new training grounds in chen hoyi na kan on koma ba be ye na kan de mutum din abo ho kama donated and say sponsored by this ni nyina e kama ni nyina abo a o emadini ka yes o mo hwe na sa ne mane because obi ba ebi a Ghana gas say na kan de ma be yes stands kama e wa ha say and I say GNTC banking free na koma ba ma be yes stands kama wa say no mudi ato so part of it and she between am ekwan no I shall say young word because this ekwan no da fa back kwan no so no na this year so school for so fa ha ekọ campus school for so fa ha ekọ campus
my boss near more maintenance essence plan yank maintenance
no crew because Kotoko ye training how there e da Kotoko bebo bia friendly game and on be training bia supporters beba pa especially twa cars e ba be pack ha chiro cars be pack wa hase na se Kotoko bo friendly game a
say baku bi kan na mu e pa no patrol bi pa na nya agro on say ai tokro bi da baby omo den kanta no agye no net no
yes
na for that year obepra
for that year we pramo
team kase enye se bia se na se si ehwe na chairman Solomon nyina mo fa mo nyimo na mo na mo yam chese we butter trade butter obi be ya
de this year wa be anka Kotoko circle this circle that circle this market can was answer
I na ba mi ntwa no hwe signboard yes we I tantan time we dey
are you old
TMTN of IC no an is you and you
then obia no atwe powered by
yi you can say almost friend din bia there so light me ref ni din so so yi light come and salute for crowd signboard for fair
yeah
team kese te se Kotoko na ba ye na sa production no na enye ho adwuma ye show
egusu yes
adwuma board no na afi ene ba bia nka supporter na eti ahwe ni nyina no Baby also baby no I so mujina simpie so. Huh?
Yeah, on say omo young person pitch na level nti no mutu ozana esane kakra nti omutu se be kofoma ene ombenya the level of the pitch. Nti ebe say adwuma
Yeah,
na
adwuma na
me
yɛ production nhwimma tie for bi na aboa ma obi nso nim obi obɛboa ma team no.
Yes,
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 no,
yes.
na Africa mo tika mu twam akɔnkran a Kotoko ne si ofia te sɛ ayi wokɔ dwoso kora team bi de neta na ɛwɔ dwoso no neta yi omo sign board kora ɛfɛsen Kotoko neta pala team o former Kotoko goalkeeper Fatawi ni team no on the team say team
Oh, okay.
on the team anza no free wakɔ yi small boy at team aye sign board kama na team a yɛ kɛse sɛ yɛn nso yɛ post yɛ yi basa ɛne so nso da bia mpanyinfo mo de ka atwam ehu na wan dress ya unim je be eti na ba de yesa yenye sa adwuma no yenye sa adwuma no correct fa na ye hu se de nso
Okay.
why
Eba cha tibidi nko.
mate ye better as pa na ba kwa I'm gracious and I gracious to the occasion the amaya adakwaja ache report na ho nsensem no ode ho nsem ni nyina no atudwa e de amaya exclusively na sisi an sa na esitie e wo ho no
Did you enjoy that?
Enti bomodin na emia subscribe no so my yadase.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?